Family, hi family, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Yes, welcome back to another video. Yes, this is another video with Victorious Mirabel. Here we create Christian content, faith-based, modest fashion, everything that pertains to life and godliness. Yes, life and godliness. How to navigate this life in a godly way, still living in the righteousness of God. Today we're going to be doing a twist out on my natural hair. Yes, we're going to be doing a twist out. Most of the time I reviews, trying what works, and when I see what works, I stick with it. So for the longest time, the products I'm going to be showing you guys is what I've been using to do my twist out. And so guys, these are the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this leave-in conditioner repair cream, Cantu organ oil. That's the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this coconut coiling cream, Cantu shea butter. I'm going to be using this, and then I'm going to be using this too, comeback coil, next day coil revitalizer, because I always keep my twist out for like a week or two if my coils are really defined and I really allow them to dry. So those are just the three products I'm gonna be using. Before I began doing this, before I began shooting, I oil my hair with this peppermint premium hair oil. I kind of oil my scalp with this. So this is what I use. So basically these are the four products I'm gonna be using. I've already used this one. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm using these three to twist out my natural hair. I'm gonna grab my comb. I'm gonna part my hair into sections. You can use your hand, and I told you guys before that I'm not really a hair person, so you guys should not expect perfection. I'm gonna try my best to just part it. No, I'm gonna part it this way, the way I want to have a padding when I take out my twist out. So I'm gonna part it this way. I told you guys I just washed my hair, so it's still wet. So I'm gonna pat it this way. Yep, so that when I get my twist out, it's gonna look like this. You can pat it in the middle. I like doing like a side pat, so I just did this. Okay, I'm gonna cut it into another section this way. To hold the sections, but I like putting them in. I like braiding them because it locks in the moisture, and that is not really fast at braiding your own hair. I prefer you lock it in. So you lock in. I prefer you braid it so that you lock in the moisture which is on your hair. You don't want to do a twist on a very dry hair. And if at any portion you realize that the section you're working with is dry, you can use a spray bottle. Just spray with some water, and you go from there. Of these two products, I'll grab a bit from here, a bit from here, and I'll use it on my hair. A little portion of the coconut coiling cream and a little portion of the leave-in conditioner. So that's what I'm using. So like this, just a finger. Like sometimes I find that if you put a lot, it leaves like frizz on your head after a couple of days. Hi family, yeah, so I finally did the back of my hair off camera. So this is what it looks like behind. This is what it looks like by the sides. And this is what the front looks like. Yeah, so it's gonna get dry. I'm gonna let it get dry. But if you really want it to get dry, some people use like hand dryers, but I'm avoiding to use heat on my hair. So I'm just gonna let it stay overnight. Tomorrow is gonna finally get dry, and all this white product will not be there, and I'm gonna take it out. I'll show you guys how. So this is my hair the next day. Can you guys see? Yeah, this is my hair. Veggie olive oil to oil my hair and take it out. So I'm just oiling one at a time and taking it out. Dry, it's still a bit moist, but that's okay. That's fine by me. The more you separate, the more it's gonna be full. It's gonna make your hair look full. Some people use a comb, like not a small comb, but a big comb, or a big comb, just to separate it. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what my hair looks like. Yep. I really like it. Just go ahead and use your hands to arrange it. Tuck the parts you want to tuck in, pull the parts you want to pull out, and yeah, because your hair is kinky, it's gonna bounce out as you pull it out using your fingers. So that was it for my tweeze out. This is what it looks like, people. Can you guys see? Ooh, see, that's the back. You guys see? Ooh. Oh my, let me come closer. This is what my tweeze out looks like. I love it. See? I love it. You could go ahead to style it whatever way you want to style it. You could use like you could use rubber bands. There are many styles to, there are many ways to style a tweezer, but I'm gonna leave mine like this. This is how. Then I'm gonna use this moisturizing olive oil moisturizing shine just to spray. This is how my tweezer looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all with the love of God. Bye. See you all in my next video. Yeah, see you all in my next video. Remember, God loves you.